India emerges as a magnet for foreign investments in March, with overseas investors pouring in a staggering $3.63 billion into the Indian markets. Simultaneously, domestic investors also mark a significant uptick in investments, hitting a 4-year high, following India's lead. South Korea, Taiwan, and Indonesia also experienced substantial investment inflows. Conversely, funds see an exodus from markets like Japan, Thailand, Brazil, Malaysia, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka. Maruti Suzuki India Limited achieves a historic milestone, becoming the first Indian automobile company to surpass a market capitalization of 4 lakh crore, witnessing a surge in its share prices. Maruti's market cap eclipses that of Tata Motors Limited, previously the highest in the market, by as much as 14,800 crore. The BSE announces a pivotal change in the trading landscape, with 25 securities now available for trading in the T+0 settlement cycle, effective the 28th of March. Among these companies are industry giants like Bajaj Auto Limited, Ashok Leyland Limited, and Vedanta Limited, marking a significant transition in trading practices. Market observers report a premium of 38 rupees in the grey market for shares of Radiowala Network IPO, indicating robust demand for the radio service provider company's shares. Tata Group breaks a 20-year hiatus with the Tata Technologies IPO last year and gears up for more public offerings in the next 2 to 3 years. The conglomerate's diverse ventures promise a flurry of upcoming public issues. As per an ET report, Geojit Financial Services advises accumulating shares of Natco Pharma, projecting a target price of 1,116 rupees. The mid-cap pharmaceutical company, incorporated in 1981, operates in the pharmaceuticals sector, presenting promising growth opportunities. Anand Rathi maintains a buy rating on Bharat Electronics shares, setting a target price of 250 rupees apiece. This projection implies an upside of over 25% from Tuesday's closing price, signaling confidence in the company's future prospects. Shree Cement Limited will also be considering and recommending a final dividend on the 14th of May. Purnawalla Fincorp Limited has recommended a final dividend on the 29th of April. Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited will be considering and recommending a dividend on the 24th of April. Endurance Technologies Limited is set to recommend a dividend on the 16th of May. Sun TV Network Limited has set a record date for the payment of an interim dividend on the 28th of March. The payment date is set for on or after the 18th of April. The record date is the 8th of April 2024. Kansai Nerolac Paints Limited is set to recommend a dividend on the 4th of May. Computer Age Management Services Limited will be considering the recommendation of a final dividend on the 9th of May. LG Balakrishnan and Bros Limited will be considering and recommending a dividend on the 29th of April. SH Kelkar & Company Limited will be considering the declaration of an interim dividend on the 29th of March. The record date for this dividend is set for the 12th of April 2024. TV Today Network Limited will be considering and recommending the payment of a final dividend on the 17th of May. Sri Rayalaseema High Strength Hypo Limited will be considering a dividend, if any, between the period of the 1st of April to the 3rd of June. Sundaram Clayton Limited has declared an interim dividend of 5.15 rupees. The record date is set for the 4th of April 2024. Prima Plastics Limited will be considering and declaring an interim dividend on the 29th of March. The record date for this dividend is set for the 8th of April 2024. Kakatiya Cement Sugar and Industries Limited will be considering a dividend on the 23rd of May. Lakshmi Automatic Loom Works Limited will be considering the declaration of a dividend between the period of the 1st of April to the 30th of May. Camdhina Ventures Limited will be considering a proposal of a stock split on the 31st of March. Bodhi Tree Multimedia Limited has revised its record date for a stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees. The record date is set for the 5th of April 2024. UPL Limited has proposed a rights issue for 4,200 crore. Spark Electrics Limited has issued a third and final reminder for the payment of the first and final call of 14.25 rupees on a rights basis. Max Alert Systems Limited has set a record date for the reduction of share capital in the ratio of 10:1. The record date is set for the 8th of April 2024. That's all for today's financial update. Stay tuned for more news and analysis.